This is my Instagram theme page with around 50,000 followers and 40 million views past 90 days. If I just combine the views of last 10 months, it will come around 100 million views. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how much money I have actually made from that 100 million views. It is more than 100 million, but let's just say 100 million because it's simpler. Earning source number one is Instagram itself. Instagram does not pay anything, but Instagram has some features, for example, gifts or subscriptions, by which people can actually pay you or help you grow. I started all these things the moment I get these features, and I'm going to tell you how much I made from this, which is $0. Nothing. Second, sponsorship. I have received multiple sponsorship opportunities, but I have rejected all. Most of them were gambling, so I respectfully just said no, because I have some morals. I only do sponsorship of the product or services that I personally use or I have trust in. I do not support gambling, so I just said no to that. Third is clipping. Now, I have been doing clipping for the last 15 or 20 days, I guess, and it's fruitful. I have made around $60 by uploading around 10 or 11 clips. In this also, I'm very picky. I only do clipping in my particular niche, which is pop culture. So any particular thing that comes in pop culture, I do clipping of it. Others, I just ignore. So I have only joined 11 to 12 campaigns, and that's it. And out of that, I have made around $60, which is good. I treat my theme page as a brand. And in the starting days of any brand, the main purpose is never money. It's always about connecting with the people, connecting with the right people. So I try to do that in my theme page. So that's why I don't do sponsorship with the brands that I don't like or I don't personally use, to maintain that brand image, to maintain that ethics that I personally believe in. Third is Facebook monetization. Now I've made a video on this, so if you have watched that video, you would have known. I have made around $78 with it. And why I'm counting it in the Instagram? Because I upload on Instagram and it's cross-posted towards Facebook. So my main efforts is on posting on Instagram. So I'm going to count it in this particular list. You may not, but I will. So if we combine the money from Facebook and clipping, I have made around $130 out of this 100 million views, meaning $1 to 1 million views. Now I'll be like, what the fuck? I know, but it's not about money. In Instagram theme pages, you will start earning money after you have around 200 to 300k followers. Before that, you should only focus on creating an audience, engaging with your audience, creating good content, and actually having a particular type of audience that resembles that particular niche. So if you are going to start a theme page, keep that in mind, that before around 200 or 300k followers, not going to earn very much. You can earn a lot from clipping. If you want to start a theme page, I have created a particular 50 minutes masterclass on theme pages, so you can actually check this out. And after watching this video, you will actually know what to do, how to do it, how to create content, everything. I've literally shared each and everything that you need to know about a theme page and how to create videos on it. So if you're interested in it, watch this, because I'm going to share it to you. It's super easy. It's super simple, super easy. It's not going to take a lot of time from you. So yeah, I think so in 2026 or 2027, this is the thing that you should must do. Start a theme page now, because it's going to get bigger and harder in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.